my dear grade 6 students, today, so we are going to discuss a paper, right? Third term එක ළඟයින් දැන්නේ. හරි. So we need to get ready for the third term exam, right? So I'm going to discuss three papers, ළමයි. This is the first video of the first one, right? So that means, ළමයි, so we are going to discuss Southern Province, right? Third term paper, Southern Province third term paper. That means grade 6, අන්තිම වාරය. හරිද? තුන්වෙනි වාරයේ paper එක Southern Province paper. Right? So we are going to discuss that one. Now, Lama, you can see how many questions are there? 20 questions. 20 short questions are there. So there are 20 short questions and the part 2 paper, right? 2 hours, right? Let's quickly do this one. Write the suitable number for the blank. Write the suitable number for the blank. This is just not only the paper discussion, lamai. I'm going to revise what are the important points. Nikam mara paper discussion එකක් නෙවෙයි. මේක මම අර points ටිකක් මතක් කරගෙන එහෙම යන වැඩක්. හරිනේ? Please try to download this paper, lamai, right? So you can see the link on the description given below. See the description, lamai. Look at the description. So you can download the paper. Try to complete this paper before me. මට කලින් paper එක කරන්න. කරලා මගෙත් එක්ක answers ටික කතා කරගෙන යන්න. හරි. Write the suitable number for the blank, ළමයි. So that means when you write the suitable number for the blank, 1345 plus 72, right? 1345 plus 72, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 7 plus 4, 11, remaining 1, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 4, 1471, 1470, 1470. What is the answer? 1470. 1, 3, 4, 5. That means 7 and 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11, lamai. 11 remaining 1, 4. So that means 1. 1417. This is the answer for the first question. Look at the second question, lamai. Look at the second question, Pedro. Let's quickly move the second question. Right? Yes. Let's quickly move the second question. The total value of price of money allocated for a winning lottery on a day is given below in rupees. Find that number in standard way. The total value of price of money allocated for the winning lottery on a day is given below in rupees. Write that number in standard way. Write that number in standard way. Standard way means you need to start from ones place. You need to start from ones place and you need to separate into 3 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. That means, lamai, 3, 2, 4, space, 7, 3, 4, space, 4, 2, 1. Then අපි මේක short note එක ලස්සනට ගහලා දෙනවා හරි, right? දැන් පැටියාට අමතකයි නම් just quickly take the short notebook and turn the pages, then you can quickly remind what are the all important points. So how to read that number? They are not asking to write down the number. That means how to read the number. Units, thousands, millions. How to read that number, video? 324,734,421. They are not asking to write down this one. So that means how to write down that one in the standard way. That's all. Write the shaded part as a fraction. Right? Write the shaded part as a fraction. Now, Lama, you can see, then I have to separate this one. Right? Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are there. Altogether, 7 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. 3 over 7. 3 parts are shaded, Lamai. So that means what is the answer? 3 over 7. Harne video. Right, very good. Lamai, shall we remind the lesson place value? Huh? Shall we quickly remind the lesson place value? Place value chutak matak karang udrak. 2, 300, 400. Right, quickly talk with me. What is the name of the period? Look at the first period, units. Look at the second period, thousand. Look at the third period, million. Look at the last period, billion. Lamai. Units, thousands, millions, billion. 2 billion, 210 million, 300,000, 400. Again, 2 billion, 210 million, 300,000, 400. Ready, Marley? See how they? Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. Right. Okay, then. Let's quickly move to the paper. Yes. Look at the next one, Lamai. What is the quantity of liquid in millimeters in a container marked 1/2 liters? 1/2 liters. That means that your 1 liter equals to 1 liter equals to Lamai. 1 liter means that your how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. Right? Half liter. Half liter. Half liter. Half liter means 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. Half liter. Liter bhagyak kiyan. Yes, මෙයාගෙන් භාගෙ නේද? 1000 වලින් භාගෙ පැටියෝ. So that means 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters. Lama, you need to write down this one there. I'm not having enough space. But ඉඩ නෑනේ. මම එකේ පල්ලෙහාන් ලියන්න කමක් නෑනේ. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Half liter means 500 milliliters. Half liter means 500 milliliters. Half liter means 500 milliliters. Then what is the quantity total in milliliters? 1000 and 500 milliliters you need to add together. Then I add කරන්න ඕන 1000 plus 500. මම දන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි මෙන්න add කරන්න ඕනේ. තනියම කරන්න 1000 and 500 very easy. Just quickly drop your answers through the comment. Comment එකක් දාන්න answer එක. හරි? 1000 and 500. So what is the answer? So put your answer as a comment. Look at the fifth one, Lamai. Look at the fifth one. 4 hours, 35 minutes, 2 hours, 50 minutes. You need to subtract. Adu karanna තියෙන්නේ. හරිනේ? That means when you 35 minus 50, no. We need to take 1 hour from the other side. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. We are taking 1 hour from the left side. So that means Lamai 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. Lamai 95 minutes. 60 plus 35, 95 minutes. 95 minus 50, 5 minus 0, 5. And 4 Lamai, that means 45 minutes. Right? 45 minutes. Okay, Lamai, that means 45 minutes. So we already taken 1 එකක් ගත්තා. So that means that you have how many remainings? 3 hours. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 3 minus 2 Lamai equals to 1. Right? 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, Nened? Point on a circle. So what are the points on the circle? What are the points on the circle? On the circle, A is a point on the circle. C is the point in the circle. Circle should be like this. Right? C is the point in the circle, on the circle, inside the circle, outside the circle, on the circle. In the circle. Right. Easy how they marley filamai. Right. Question number 5 video balanna. Question number 5. Write all the even numbers. Even numbers means what are the numbers divisible by 2? Deking bedineva. What are the numbers divisible by 2? Nevadio. So what are the numbers divisible by 2? Deking bedineva. Right? How to identify the even number? How to identify the even number, Mario? Huh? Just quickly talk with me. How to identify the even number? Quickly talk with me. How to identify the even number? Even number, Lamai, we can identify the even number, right? Look at the last digit. Look at the last digit, Lamai. Wait a minute. Look at the last digit. We can identify the even number. Look at the last digit. Last digit should be equals to 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. අන්තිම නම්බර එක 0 වෙන්න පුළුවන්, අන්තිම නම්බර එක 2 වෙන්න පුළුවන්, අන්තිම නම්බර එක 4 වෙන්න පුළුවන්, අන්තිම නම්බර එක 6 වෙන්න පුළුවන්, අන්තිම නම්බර එක 8 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. If the last digit equals to 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that number is an even number. A number එක පැටිය දෙකෙන් බෙදෙනවා, even number. Right? Now look at the question. They are asking, write all the even numbers between 47 and 53. What are the numbers between 47 and 53? 48, 49, 48, 49, right? 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, right? That's all. 51 and 52. 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So what are the even numbers, Patio? 48 even, 50 even, 52 even. Right? So what are the even numbers? 48, right? 48, 50 and 52. Right? Niyamai. Let's quickly move to the angles lesson. දැන් බලන්න අපි short note එක හදලා දැන් short note එක හදපු කට්ටියට ආයි කිසිම ගේමක් නැහැ. හොඳේ. short note එක හදපු කට්ටියට මම කිව්වා short note ටික හදාගන්න මම short note ටික එව්වා. නේද? I already sent you the short note, right? දැන් බලන්න එහෙම තමයි නේද වැඩ කරන්නේ. හරි? Right, let's quickly review the angles, right? Let's quickly review the angles, Patio. Right, very good. Let's quickly review the angles, Mebalanna. So you can quickly turn the short note, Lamai, right? You can quickly turn the short note. I will share the screen with you. My screen is share karanna. Now you can see, right? Yes, circle, place value, units, Maple Patio, angles. So how many angles are there? 5 angles. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Look at this one. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, neither. Reflex angle, right angle means 90 degree. Straight angle means 180 degree. Right? Which type of angles are A and B according to its magnitude? Which type of angles are A and B? Look at the A, Lamai. Look at the A. Reflex angle. A patio. Reflex angle. A lamai reflex angle. B lamai obtuse angle. B lamai obtuse angle. reflex angle. B means obtuse angle. Reflex angle. B means obtuse angle. Question number 6. Right, let's quickly move to question number 7. Write all the integers from -3 to +2. -3 to +2. From is there. And the number line. Let's quickly move to the number line. Right? Number line -3, -2, or -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, -3, +2. So what are the integers? What are the integers from -2 to +2? Lamai, from -3 to +2. -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1. मार ले इसी वीडियो हो दे. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. How many integers are there? Video 6 integers. From කියලා දිනවනේ. From කියලා දීපොත් මේක ගන්නත් පුළුවන් මේක ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේ till දෙවෙනි හොදේ වැරදිලා 2. From -3 to +2. හරිනේ? Right. Okay. This one is very funny one. නියම එකක් තියෙන්නේ මේ මාර්ක් ලේසි. Right? Very funny. 8. 8 means ළමයි 10. 8 means 10 plus 2, nanny, 12. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, lamai, 8. 10 minus 2, 8. This one, 5. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. That means, lamai, 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 5 plus 2, lamai, 7. Right? 5 plus 2, 7. Right. Question number 9, Paddy. Look at this one. Question number 9. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Find the perimeter of the given figure. 6 centimeters, 3 millimeters, 7 centimeter, 8 millimeter, 5. How many millimeters are there for a 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter. Right. Number more. Let's see. Right? Look at this one. I'm not having enough space, lamai. Then I'm going to write down what are the all 3 length. Lengths එක මම ලියා ගන්නවා. හොඳේ. Centimeters, millimeters. 6 centimeter, 3 millimeter. 6 centimeter, 3 millimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 millimeter, 5 centimeter, 0 millimeter. 5 centimeter, 0 millimeter. හරිනේ මැඩියෝ. අන්න දැන් මට කියන්න 8 plus 3, 11. 11, 1, remaining 1. 11 දාන්න බෑනේ. 11 කියන්නේ 10 plus 1. 11, 1, remaining 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7, 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 7, 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So that means, lamai, 19 centimeter, 1 millimeter. 19 centimeter, 1 millimeter is the answer. Right? 19 centimeter, 1 millimeter is the answer. Right? Okay, neither. Right. Just quickly complete this one. You can pause the video. Video pause kala on the vertical yagan. Right. If you have any question, lamai, monomahat prasnak tinolam pedio, drop me the WhatsApp message. Right. Drop me the WhatsApp message. So I'm available on WhatsApp. 0757467 is my WhatsApp number. If you have any question regarding the maths, all the prasnak tinolam WhatsApp message dala tiyanna. Reply karana. Right. Centimeters and millimeters. Very good. Shall we move to the next one? Abedio? Right. Question number 10. Question number 10, Lamai. Look at this one, Balanna. Question number 10. Right? 3 liters, 435 milliliters of water were used from a container containing 5 liters. 5 liters is the total capacity. From 5 liters, they are used 3 liters and 435 milliliters. Neither. So what is the quantity of water left in the container? ඉතුරු ගාන හොයන්න තියෙන. හරිනේ? ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 5 liters, liters, milliliters, 5 liters minus 5 liters minus 3 liter 435 milliliter. 3 liter 435 milliliter. 3 liter 435 milliliter. 3 liter 435 milliliter of water used from a container containing 5 liters, right? What is the quantity of water left in the container? So they are asking the quantity of water left in the container. ඉතුරු ගාන අහන්නේ. Right. කරන්න බෑ. So we need to make one. That means lamai they are giving 1000 පැටියෝ. 1000 plus 0, 1000. 1000 minus 435. 1000 minus 435. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. Right? 565 milliliters. 565 milliliters. So that means lamai 4 liters remaining. Liter hatarak padi ituru ekak gattane. How many liters are remaining? 4 liters remaining. 4 minus 3 lamai 1. So that means 1 liter 565 milliliters. 1 liter 565 milliliters. 1 liter 565 milliliters. Right? 10 questions done. ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් ඉවරයි. හොඳයි. Quickly do this one. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Right, okay, lamai. Let's quickly move to the next one. Yes. Question number 11. Right? Question number 11. Then what is the next question? Question number 11. Right? Let's zoom this one. Let's zoom karan. Write a suitable name for the category of numbers given. 5, 10, 20, 25, 15. Can you tell me the name? Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Right? What is the name, Lamai? Multiples of 5 between 0 and multiples of 5 between 0 and 30 වගේ. Between 0 and 30. එහෙම නැත්නම් වාට කියන්න පුළුවන් multiples of 5 from 5 to 25. From 5 to 25. Multiples of 5 from 5 to 25. Right? Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 from 5 to 25. From 5 to 25. Filling the blanks. 2,335 meters. Meters. right? Lamai, that means 2,135 meters means we need to divide by 1,000 to convert to kilometer. 1, 2, 3. So that means 2 kilometers, 135 meters. 2 kilometers, 135 meters. 2 kilometers, 135 meters, right? So that is the answer. Answer 2 kilometers, 135 meters, right? Just consider this one, neighbor, right? Just consider 2,520. 1, 2, 3, neighbor. So that means 2 kilometers, 520 meters. Just consider 3,080 meters. 3,080 meters. 3,080 meters means Lamai 80 meters, 3 kilometers. ඇයි පැඩියෝ meters කියන්නේ meter 1000ක් තමයි kilometer එකක් කියන්නේ. meter 1000ක් නේ kilometer එකක් කියන්නේ. So that means Lamai 4,200 meters means 4,200 divided by 1,000. එතකොට පැඩියෝ 1, 2, 3 decimal places moving to left. තුනක් කියනවනේ වමට 3 decimal places moving to left. That means 4 kilometers, 200 meters. 4 kilometers, 200 meters. Right. Let's quickly move to question number 13. Patakala question number 13. There are X numbers of passengers in a bus. At a one bus stop, 6 of them got off the bus and 2 more passengers got into bus. Right? There are X numbers of passengers are there in a bus. At a one stop, 6 of them got off. 6 of them got off. Bessa, bahina. That means, Lamai, do we need to add or subtract? Hayak hitia, sorry, X pramanayak hitia, hayak bessa. That means minus 6. Adueno video. Hayak adueno. Hayak bessa Lamai, thawa dennek nagina. 2 more passengers got into bus. 2 more passengers got into bus. That means plus 2. Write an algebraic expression to represent the number of passengers in the bus now. Right? Minus 6. Right? Hayak bessa. Then on right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hayak bahina. Dennek nagina. Right? එතකොට ළමයි just consider 6 people, then 6 passengers got off. 2 passengers got into bus. That means ළමයි how many passengers less than the previous one? So that means 4 passengers, right? අතර දෙනයිනේ. So that means ළමයි x minus 4. X minus 4. Using each of the digits 2157. Using each of the digits 2157 exactly once, write down the largest possible number. Largest possible number means, Lama, you need to start from the largest one. What is the largest one? 7, 5, 2, 1. What is the smallest number? 1, 2, 5, 7. Right? 1, 2, 5, 7. 7,521 is the largest one. 1,257 is the smallest one. Write an equivalent ratio for 4 to 7. Equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio, there are 2 methods to create the equivalent ratio. We can multiply by same number or we can divide by same number. දෙකම එකම number එකකින් අපිට multiply කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් පැටිය බෙදන්නත් පුළුවන්. So I'm going to multiplication method. 4 divide. You can multiply by any number. ඕන number එකකින් multiply කරන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද you can multiply by any number. 4 to 7 4 4 to 7. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 7 multiplied by 2, 14. 8 to 14. Very good. Right? Unlimited. 8 to 14. Right? 8 over 15 plus 7 over 15. That means my 15 is there. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 my 15 over 15. 15 over 15 means 15 over 15 means what is the answer? 15 over 15 means 1. Right? චුට්ටක් අපි fraction short note එකත් පොඩ්ඩක් මතක් කරගමුද? fraction short note එක චුට්ටක් මතක් කරගමු ටක් ගාලා. Right? fraction ko. Right? This one. fraction ළමයි. Right? මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ. Numerator, upper part is known as numerator, down part is known as denominator. What are the fraction types? Unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fractions. Neither 1 over 7 plus 1 or 2 over 7 platio altogether 3 over 7. Neither multiplication, right? Different denominators. Anna better good up, right? 15 over 15 means what is the answer? 1, right? Yes, so we can quickly move to the next one. Make a video there. Equivalent ratio there. 4 to 7. 4 to 7. You can multiply by any number, but you need to multiply all the numbers by same value. Ekama number again multiply karanna. If you are going to multiply by 5, 7 also you need to multiply by 5. 4 into 5, 20. 7 into 5, 35. Then 20 to 35. But you must comment එකක් දාන්න. ඔයා කැමති ඕනම equivalent ratio එකක් you can multiply by any number. Right? You can multiply by any number. Put a comment, right? Comment එකක් දාන්න. Right? Just put a comment so you can multiply both sides by any number. ඕන number එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? You can multiply by 5, you can multiply by 10. Just quickly comment your answer. Right? Through the YouTube. Okay. Let's quickly move to the next one. Just only 2 questions more. Question number 19 and 20. Right, Balanpedio. Find the area of the shaded part of the following figure which has been drawn on 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter square grid. Right. So you need to find down the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part, right? You need to find down the area of the shaded part. Then area එක තමයි හොයන්න ඕන. ළමයිනේ. So what is the area of a 1 square? What is the area of a 1 square equals to 1 square centimeter? What is the area of a 1 square equals to 1 square centimeter? හරිනේ. 1, 2, half, 1. Either 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3. 3 square centimeter. Right? So what is the area of the shaded part? Lamai 1, 2, then half, 1. Ekat එක ඔක්කොම 3. හරිනේ? Right. Yes. Let's quickly move to the last one. Video. Right. Let's quickly move to the last one, Lamai. Yes. When බලන්න part 2 paper. Now we can move to the part 2 paper. I will give you the next video related to part 2 paper. මම ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එක දාන්නම් part 2 එක. හොඳයි? Right. When the number of coconuts in a stack of coconut was rounded off to nearest multiple of 10, the value obtained was 70, right? So that means, Lamai, when you are going to round off a number into the nearest multiple of 10, that value equals to 70. So what is the value? That value equals to 70. Harine? Right. Then you talk 70. Round in now. Just consider the value 70. What are the values When you're going to round off that value, that one equals to 70. What are those values? What are the values taken? Just consider 65. When you're going to round off 65 to nearest 10, 70. What else? 66, 70. 67, 70. 68, 70. 69, 70. 70 also, 70. 71 also, 70. 72 also, 70. 73 also, 70. 74 also, 70. හැබැයි 75 ළමයි, when you are going to round off 75, what is the answer? 80. Mara lazy. Look at the last digit. If the last digit is greater than 5, equal or greater than 5, add 1 to the tens place. If last digit is less than 5, keep the same value. 65 to 73. 65, 66, right? So what are the questions they are asking? Find the maximum number of coconuts. Find the maximum number of coconuts it can have. Find the maximum number of coconuts, Lamai. Maximum number of coconuts can be equals to 74. Find the maximum number of coconuts, Lamai. That means 74. Find the maximum number of coconuts, 74. What is the minimum number of coconuts? What is the minimum number of coconuts, Lamai? What is the minimum number of coconuts? 60. What is the minimum number of coconuts? 65. Arene? Right. When full first paper, then ඊළඟ video එක මොකද්ද පැටියෝ? Second paper. Before the second paper, ළමයි, please try to complete your answers. Please try to complete the paper before me, right? You can use your short notebook. අමතකයි නම් short notebook එක බලන්න, තනියම කරන්න, try to get the highest mark. First, ළමයි, try to complete the paper, right? First, try to complete the paper. මුලින්ම paper එක complete කර. හරිනේ? Right? Hope this one is very clear to you, Lamai. If you have any question, just drop me the WhatsApp message. So thank you very much, Lamai. This is the first paper of the Southern Province paper, right? See you in the next video with the second part of this paper, right? Then thank you very much. Good luck all.